Hi everybody! Tonight we set up this temporary bar in my room to celebrate the 1st of May. It's such a cold day in Sydney now. It's freezing. It's the coldest of this year. Last time I made a video of drinking Baileys and I got so many views. So tonight we're going to do Bailey shots. Before everything else, let's have some ice cream. This Ben & Jerry Netflix and chill ice cream is so good. So good. So good. How lucky are we? We have Brian and Ruffy. The first drink we're going to make is called Jam Donut. Rim the glass with sugar. When I'm traveling, I always collect shot glasses. This one is from Norway and this is from Helsinki, Finland. This is from Sweden. That's Dubai. Chambord. We finished that big bottle already, so we're gonna use this. It's a new bottle. Woohoo! That's our first shot. So the second one, it's called B52 Kahlua. Because there's different density, so if you pour behind the spoon, the Bailey will flow. Absolutely gentle. And then Cointreau. Okay, the third one. Baileys. Oh, vodka. Because we didn't have the cream, let's be creative and add some ice cream on top. Look at that. The last one, since last time I didn't do it, I'm going to do it officially this time. Ice cream. Baileys. Wow. Okay, let's do this. Wait. We're doing shots. Jam donut. Cheese. Oh my god. It's so good. That's Chambord. Wow. Okay. You should definitely try it. Love Chambord. Love French martini. The second one is called B52. We didn't have the Grand Marnier. It's the orange liquor and the bitterness. I swapped it. I swapped the Cointreau cheese. Wow. Wow, that is so good. The orange, you have the orange flavor to it. It's so good. It actually is so good. I wonder how come I never had it in my life. This is Bailey vodka and cream. This one, because of the vodka, it has the heat on it. It's like this probably is the most strong one out of these three. The first one was so easy to drink, and this I love this one, the second one. Cheers to the one I forgot last time. This is Bailey and ice cream. Whew! 1st of May. Yeah, I love my ISO bar. It's nice to celebrate 1st of May in isolation. Because we like the B52 so much, we're gonna do another one.
That's the right thing to do.
Is that mine?
You like to get...
Cheers.
You better increase Mrs. Foster's medication. Maybe we're gonna have some kind of secret entrance.
Oh, sure.
So we get in and out of his office without being noticed. What about next time? Discharge. Next time? What do you mean, like those swinging balls in the movies? Yeah. No, my grandpa was a bootlegger. He had one of them.
So good, isn't it?
Yeah,
Find out.
very good.
Very good. You want another one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. Must be really, really, really good.
Now when you look in the bed,
Oh, fuck.
you
I must be drunk. Look at me. Should I have another one with him? Yes, I should. Okay. One more. We will both get drunk. I don't know if we can play checker anymore if we drink that much. I spilled it everywhere.
cheese.
Cheers for May,
Just read normally, Miss
my
Harlan.
birthday month.
Mary Wright.
Oh, so good.
Well, he seems to think a lot of it. But to tell you the truth,
Things I do for the camera. Please like and subscribe.